Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Flodesk, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you download or export your subscribers in Flodesk? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to download your subscribers from Flodesk anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's pretty common to switch over to a different service provider, and you want to be sure to bring your contacts with you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Flodesk dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Flodesk, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to download your subscriber list, here on the top, you're going to click on Audience. Once you click there, you're going to see all of your subscribers inside of Flodesk. Now, the strange thing about Flodesk is you can't actually export or download the list from this screen. You have to jump over here to Segments, this button right here. Okay, so now you're going to see all of the different tags and segments that you split your subscribers into. So you can see I have 3, but don't worry, you can actually choose this one right here called All Subscribers. So it's going to have all your contacts in there. Or if you want, you can just download one tagged group or one segmented group. And all you're going to do is just hover over the group that you want to export or download. So for example, this one right here. Once you do that, you're going to see the 3 dots here on the top right, and then you're going to click on Download CSV. Okay, you're going to get this pop-up confirming that they are downloading or exporting your contacts from Flodesk. Again, I want to re-emphasize that you want to choose this one right here, All Subscribers, if you want all of your contacts out of Flodesk. Okay, a quick second later, I got an email directly from Flodesk, so I'm going to go ahead and open that email, and then I'm going to click on the download link. Okay, open up the email. Just note that the link inside of your email only lasts for 24 hours. If it goes beyond 24 hours, you'll have to re-request. Also, I received my subscriber list from Flodesk almost immediately, but that's because this is a test account. There's only one contact in there. If you have a huge list of contacts, it's probably going to take a little bit longer. But here is what the CSV looks. So you can see it includes their ID, their email, first, last name, how they were added, and then the different segments that they're included in. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to download or export your contacts from Flodesk, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.